He's protect and ride little chorizo on his journey.
Yeah, it is going to be weird not seeing me get to the boat. But we can get another cat. What?
I want my children to know this woman. I want my children to know who I'm talking about when I'm talking about that magnificently wacky lady.
We don't need another stupid cat anyway.
Oh, I don't want to buy anything.
Is it
No,
really
I think
blatant?
you know exactly what I'm thinking. What are you talking about? You're gonna stay here with us? Don't want to argue about it. I'm not laughing. I want a baby.
We live on a boat.
You would do with this. He could give us his little fish.
That's a brilliant idea. Why didn't I think of it before?
Would you do it?
Yes.
Yes! Oh my God! Are you both mental? We were drunk last night, right? Júrame que no habías hablado de esto antes.
Te lo juro.
No es un juego, es un hijo, es para el resto de tu puta vida. Okay. Will you stop crying if we try?
Are you serious? Okay, can I cry now, though? They're just they're from joy.
No.
Okay, listen, don't look.
Yeah, so he's helping us.
Donor? What?
Doner kebab. Cheers.
We tried so hard. But you know, at the end of the day, and there's a reason why families are how they are. One person is complicated, two people, you know. But three people, just asking for disaster.
Dirty old town. Dirty old town.